Hello everyone, welcome back again to the Evoverse. You guys might think that the last video is the last one, right? But no, there's still this one last, which we will talk about Uma Musume decks in these expansions. After the restoration of some cards is being lifted, Uma Musume gets strong consistency, which we will talk about it deeply later. And without further ado, let's talk about it. The first one, mid-range Daiwa Uma. This one is very standard Uma, which you can find whenever you are. And I do believe there are still a lot of players using this kind of deck even in your locals. The difference is there are already 3 Ikuno Dictus and 3 Trial Initiations. This deck has become more and more stable than before. But as for power itself, I must admit that they are not much different from being restricted. It just become more and more consistent. Like from previous, you can have Daiwa and Vodka more earlier, or maybe when using Ogre Cap, you don't need to think about losing a lot of hands and something like that. The difference in each Uma Musume deck is just what end game you want to achieve. For example, some might be still bring 7 cm, like myself. Some might bring Narita Brian, and some might be focusing on Ogre for finishing. Well, the deck itself can be very depends on your own playstyle. As for me, I love the consistency of this deck, so I'm focusing on Vodka and Daiwa combo. And also for the end game, I'm focusing on 7 cm. Well, there's some recommended tech card which can often be seen in this variant. For example, you can bring Mayano Top Gun, Sakura Chono, Shinko Windy, Major Rober, Super Quick, Fine Motion, or maybe even Nice Nature. Well, overall, Uma Musume is being Uma Musume. Their power is very strong if you're not aware of what are they going to do. The second one, Agro Uma. Well, some of you might not oftenly seen this variant in your locals. But as far as I know and testing it, quite a lot of people has noticed this one and hooked at it. Some even winning their weekly locals with this deck. The gameplay itself pretty much like standard Uma, it's just this one is very aggressive that you might scared by yourself. If we talk about the power, this deck is more higher than other variants. The consistency in this deck is very different with the standard mid-range Daiwa. Having a lot of low cost with high attack is the main attraction on this deck. This deck have a combo around B and Y type cards, which is very hard in the mid game, supported by standard for aggressive Uma deck, such as Silent Suzuka, Ogre Cap, Tokai Teiyo, Mayano Top Gun, and even Seiyan Sky. I also bring a tech card, Hisi Amazon, which is a very good card in here I guess. She could tutor winning ticket instantly from your deck starting cost 6. And if you already have Trial Initiations and Narita Taishin in your graveyard, winning ticket basically become 5 and 3 status follower with Storm. And you can deal a lot of damage with this deck, and having additional Riko, Kashimoto, Outrunning, and Eat Fast Young Fast is very good card in here. Okay, that's it for today guys. I believe Uma Musume still have a lot room for growing and to be adjusted to the existing environment. If you have any recommendation or suggestion about the Uma Musume deck, feel free to comment and mention me in the comment section. And for you guys, the Uma Musume believer, don't worry, this deck is still in the hype. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. I think that's conclude our long talking about this DP06 expansion talking, which I'm really eager to see how you guys adjust and improve the deck in this expansion. Please hit like and subscribe button if you like the video, and I'm going to make more deck creations in the future. And also I will see you again in the next video. See ya!